Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get a more understanding SQL Server development, performance tuning, and the Power BI and DAX, as well as integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report under. So for timing, I just imported only two tables only. One is date table, another one is my fact table. Okay, so we'll try to understand what kind of a relationship I have established between these two tables. So for that, just click on model, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that, so I have just enabled so one to many direction between the dim date and internet sales. Even you can understand so what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. So likewise I have enabled the relationship. So we'll try to speak more on upcoming videos, so what kind of options that are available. So we'll try to see one by one going forward. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report design only. Just click on report. Now you can see that, so here I am displaying the last 4 months sales data. Even in my previous videos, if you notice, so based on the selection slicer selection, I am just displaying the last 2 months or 1 month, something like that I have showed in my previous videos. But here, without selecting any kind of slicer, date slicer, I am just displaying the last 4 months sales data. So what are the data available in my fact table? I'm just displaying the last 4 months. So I'll try to show what data it contains. So go to the fact table, so order date key, so do it descending order so that we can see so what is the last dates we have. Now if you notice here, so April is the last date in my fact table. April, March, February, something like that. Okay, so that is the reason we can see that April is my last date in my fact table. So that is the reason I'm displaying April, March, February, January. So these are the last 4 months data available in my transaction table. So same thing we can validate here also. So in 2004, so 4.99, 6.28, 4.99, 6.28, 1454. See, 4.99, 6.28, 1.45, 12.33, 12433. So it's giving correctly, but so I'll try to do some changes based on that, whether this report is giving correctly or not. We'll try to do that. So I'm going to the source data. Here I'll try to do some changes. So in 2003, I'm just doing some dates. So based on that, we'll get to know whether it is working or not. So I'm just refreshing. Now it's getting refreshed. So if you notice here, so in my fact table I have dates from the March month only. So that is the reason, if you notice here, so 2004 March, February, January, but remaining month getting from the previous year, so 2003 December. Okay, so I'll try to do one more changes. One. So try to save it. So again we'll try to refresh it. See, now we can see that. So in my fact table I have date, I have sales from the up to February only. So that is the reason we are showing last 4 months means 2004 February, 2004 January, 2003 December, 2003 November. Even we can validate data whether it's giving correctly or not. So 2004 February 1.45, 1.45, 1233. See, 1.45, 1233. Same thing we'll try to validate for 2003 also. Go to the 2003. See, 285204, 285204, 285204. So it's working as we expected, because so whatever the dates we have available in the fact table or transaction table, based on that we are displaying the last 4 months sales data. So even I'll try to do some more changes so that we'll get to know whether it's working or not. So just save it. So try to refresh here. So immediately the numbers are, and even you can see that cards are also changing. See 2004 January, but these 3 months are to December, November, October, right? Even you can validate the data also. So 285 204 189, 285 204 189. So it's working as we expected. For example, if I try to add some more data in my current year, so 2004 3, now I have added February and March month also. So up to now we have data only January month only, but in my source data I have added February as well as March. Now we'll see whether it is reflecting or not by refreshing. We'll try to understand. See, March, February, January, December. So December coming from the previous year. So we have dates. So January, February, March from the 2004. So it displaying the last 4 months sales data based on the dates we have in the fact table. So likewise, I have written the expression to get the numbers correctly. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you.